Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the 35th question from CBSE Class 10, 2023-24, additional practice questions for Mathematics Standard with subject code 041, section D, where each question is of 5 marks. Now this question is from the statistics chapter. A car assembly unit assembles a limited number of cars daily depending on the prevailing demand. The following table presents an analysis of the number of cars assembled by the unit over 3 consecutive months. If the demand of the cars is doubled, estimate how many cars on an average should be assembled per day such that the increased demand is met. And the second question is, at least on how many days less than average number of cars were assembled? Show your work. So let us try to understand the given question. There is a car assembly unit or car assembling company which is working for 3 consecutive months, that is 3 continuous months, and it works in such a way that 0 to 4 cars are assembled per day for continuous 33 days. Now 4 to 8 cars are assembled for the next 18 days, and so on. So the first sub question is, if the demand for cars gets doubled, so this is important, demand of the cars is doubled, we have to estimate how many cars on an average should be assembled per day. So wherever the word average comes, that means we have to find out the mean. So let us concentrate on the sub-question 1 first. So the number of cars on an average that should be assembled per day such that the increased demand is met. So for that I have drawn the table, and since we are finding the mean and this is a grouped data, as you can see, we have made groups of 4. We have to find out the class mark, which is xi, and then we have to multiply fi times xi. Now what are these fi and xi terms? Now the number of days represents the frequency, and frequency I have represented as fi. And class mark is xi, and class mark is nothing but we come back to the cars assembled per day, and to calculate xi we take the upper class limit and add it with the lower class limit and divided by 2. So let us start calculating the class mark first. So 4 plus 0 is 4 divided by 2, that is 4 over 2 gives us 2. Now 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 plus 8 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. 16 plus 12 is 28, divided by 2 is 14. And then 20 plus 16 is 36, divided by 2 is 18. So this is how we get the class mark. Next we have to find out fi times xi. Now fi is 33 times 2 gives us 66. 18 times 6 gives us 108, and 21 times 10 gives us 210, and 11 times 14 gives us 154. And 7 times 18 gives us 126. Next we have to find out the total number of days, that is the total frequency. So when we add up all the number of days, we get it equal to 90 days. And when we add up all the fi times xi, we will get it as 664. So we have got the values of sum of fi and sum of fi xi. Now next we have to find out the mean or average using these values. So let me write the formula. So the mean is given as sum of fi times xi divided by sum of fi. Now here we have got sum of fi xi as 664 divided by 90. So this will give us a value of 7.3777. It goes on, it is recurring. So I am going to round it as 7.38. So this is our mean. Now once we get the mean, the question says that the demand of the cars is doubled. That means here we have to double the mean which we have got. That is going to be 2 times, that is doubling the mean, 7.38. And that will be equal to 14.76. Now this is the number of cars that needs to be assembled. Since this is a decimal number, we cannot say that the cars assembled is 14.76. So we are going to round it to the next higher integer, which is 15. So 15 cars need to be assembled to meet the increased demand. So here we are going to conclude that approximately 15 cars should be assembled per day on an average to meet the increased demand. Now let us look at the second sub-question. Number of days when less than average number of cars were assembled. Now average number of cars we had got it as 7.38 and 7.38 lies over here, that is between 4 to 8. So less than the average means we have to go to the previous class, that is from 0 to 4. So the number of days for 0 to 4 is 33 days. That is for 33 number of days less than average number of cars were assembled. So we are going to write over here, as mean lies in the range of 4 to 8, at least on 33 days less than average number of cars were assembled. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. If you know any other way of solving this example, do comment below. And if you are liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.